Hi guys, myself Kunal De, and in today's session we will be discussing about All India Ayush Post Graduation Entrance Test 2020. Before starting the session, I want to request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for further updates. So in today's session, we will be discussing about the website for AIPGT 2020, the latest updates regarding it, and the instructions and procedures for online application form, and the do's and the don'ts. So let us first open the browser and check into the nta.ac.in, National Testing Agency.ac.in. So now where we check into the archive sections, the notice board archives, and as we open the notice board archives, so we get to find here the public notice number 9, All India Post Graduation Test and Test 2020. So we need to open it. So the NTA has released the All India Post Graduation Entrance Test AIPGT 2020 on 6th of May 2020, where it has been retained that it has been established by Ministry of HRD as an independent autonomous, and the conduct of All India Post Entrance Test AIPGT 2020 examinations for admissions to MD, MS, PG diploma in Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy courses for academic session 2020 and 2021 has been entrusted to that NTA by Government of India. The details of the All India Ayush Post Graduation Entrance Test 2020 are as follows. There will be only one paper 1 of total marks 480, and the number of questions will be in the multiple choice questions format of total 120 questions, and one question will be of 4 marks, so total it will sum up to 480 marks. Timing will be from 10 a.m. to 12 noon India Standard Time, and the duration of the exam will be hence 2 hours. So it will be basically 120 questions of total 480 marks and one paper only of 2 hours duration. The test will be conducted in the computer based test. So to mind it, this will be a computer based test, CBT mode only, and the candidates who desire to appear in the AIPGT 2020 may see the information bulletin of AIPGT 2020 for more details. Okay, so we have to check in the nta.aipgt.nic.in for further updates. Now the candidates who wish to appear in the event are required to apply online form between 6th May to 5th June 2020 up to 4 p.m. and the fees can be paid online up to 5th June 2020. And the date of conduct of so the form fill up has been opened from 6th May, which has already been opened from 6th May, and the last date of filling up the form for AIPGT 2020 is 5th June. The last is from 6th May to 5th June up to 4 p.m. and the fees can be paid online up to 5th June 2020 up to 11:50 p.m. Okay, so I hope it is this much is clear. Now let us check in the second website, ntaipgt.nic.in. So now we are in the website of the ntaipgt.nic.in, and when we open the website we get the first thing as the application form for AIPGT 2020 is available. Okay, application form has been out, so and the exam date will be uploaded in the website later. So exam date will be uploaded later. Now we can fill up the form, as I have already told that it has been given in the website since 6th May to the June. Yes, now let us open in the current events as the new registration. So okay, the instruction and procedures for online application form AIPGT 2020. First thing is the fee details and important dates, of which the online registration and submission of application form will be only accepted between 6th May and 5th June 2020. Next point is the last date of successful final transaction of fee is 5th June 2020 Friday. Okay, and the main thing here is 11 up to 11:50 p.m. and the form was only up to 4 p.m. Fine. And now the fees payable for the application form is for the general and unreserved and OBC non-creamy layer is rupees 2500. For general economically weaker section is 20 to 50, 20 to 50, and SC, ST, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, PWD and transgender is 1750. Is 1750. Correction particulars of application form on website only on 6th to 10 June. Okay, after the filling up of the form up to from 6th May to 5th June, we'll be getting one more chance to correction of in particulars of application form on website only will be from between 6th to 10th June. Downloading of admit cards will be 20th June onwards, 20 June 2020 onwards. Only 10 days. After 10 days only you can get, after 10 to 15 days only you can get to get the admit card. Sorry, the admit card is downloading on admit cards from NTA website will be yes on 20th June 2020 onwards. Dates of examination to be announced later. Duration of examination will be 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Timing will be between 10 to 12 p.m. Center and date will be admit as indicated on the admit card, obviously. And for any further updates, you can check on this website only, www.nta.ac.in and nta.aipgt.nic.in. Now there are few things given here. The details regarding, yeah, okay, for the OBC non-creamy layer, it will be for the OBC NCL recognized by the central list of other backward classes available for National Commission for Backward Classes, NCPC, Government of India website. So the state list OBC candidates who are not in OBC NCL must choose the general or unreserved. Now the second points have been the candidates can apply for AIPGT 2020 in online mode only. आप offline से नहीं कर सकते, just सिर्फ online mode. And the application form other than the online mode will not be accepted in any case. Only one application is to be submitted by a candidate. Third point. And the fourth point is candidate must follow the instructions strictly given to the information bulletin. Fine. And candidates must ensure that the email address and the mobile number provided in the online application form are their own, as all information communication will be sent by NTA through email on email address or SMS on given mobile number only. So you must ensure that the email address and mobile number you have given is completely correct to your knowledge, and since every information, every communication or information will be sent to you by NTA through those emails and SMS only. Now the instructions are given, like they are the 4 steps process to apply online. One is the online registration form using unique email ID and mobile number, filling the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Okay, after the filling of the application form, you will be giving a system generated application number which you have to note down. Then in the third step, we have to upload scanned images of candidate's photograph between 20 KB to 50 KB and candidate's signature between 10 KB to 20 KB in JPG format. Okay, in the third step, we have to upload the image and the signature of the required format. Fourth stage, will be paying fees, which can be through ICCI, Syndicate, Paytm, payment gateway through debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI and Paytm. So there are many ways through which you can pay the fees, which was 2500 for general, unreserved and OBC NCL, 2250 for general EWS and 1750 for SC ST, PWD and transgender. Okay, so there are few do's and the don'ts, like what not to carry and what to carry. You can read here: instruments, geometry, pencil box, handbags, purse, earphone, microphone, etc., banana, the fruits and everything you can't carry. You will also know it better. And the disclaimer is like you have to read all the informations, and after thoroughly going through that, you have to fill up the form. NTA disclaims any liability that may arise into duty incurred. Okay, the NTA won't be held any liable to any misinformation provided by you. After you have ticked the form, I have read and understood all the instructions mentioned in the information bulletin. Now we will go to proceed to apply online AIPGT 2020. Now we have moved to the application form. So it's written first thing, Please enter the first name. Okay, we have to enter these details, and do not write Dr. Vedeshri, Srimati, Mr., Mrs., Miss, and etc. in the name field. So we have to give our first name and the confirm first name. So these two things are compulsory. The middle name is not compulsory. If you have, you can give it, and if you don't, it's okay. And the last name and confirm last name. After that, you have to write the full name together again in this slot, and then the mobile number and confirm the mobile number through which you tend to receive the further messages by the NTA, and the email ID and the confirm the email IDs, and then the security pin you have to give it. Okay, so after this filling up the application form, as already told in the earlier page, then you will get a system generated application number, and in the third step which you have to note down, and the third step you will have to scan your images and signature of the required format, and in the fourth stage you have to pay the application fees, and with that your form will be submitted for the AIPGT 2020. And so the main thing which comes out is, after in the last date of submitting this application form is 5th June 2020. I repeat again, it's 5th June 2020, and it has been already started while we are shooting the video for 2020 All India Ayush Post Graduation Entrance Test, and the fees can be paid up to 11:50 p.m. of 5th June 2020, Friday. Okay, and the main thing is like the admit cards. The admit cards here is mentioned is 10 to you will be receiving by 20th June 2020 onwards. It's 20th June 20th June 2020 onwards. Okay. So with this, we would like to sum up our video of how to fill up the form for AIPGT 2020, and hope you like the video. And if you have seen the video until this, so then please like the video and share it to your friends. Thank you.